How to fix TikTok shop button missing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be talking about how to fix a missing TikTok shop on your TikTok application. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to open the TikTok application. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version and also log in to your specific account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down and then go to Report a Problem, that is under Support and About. Once you're in this page, go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on Chat with Us with the headphone icon. You will be taken to the chat or the conversation page where you need to tap on Submit a Ticket. Or if the option is not available, simply go ahead and tap on this message section in the bottom and then type in the message saying that I am having a bug on my account and I'm missing the shop button. I need this to be fixed. Then tap on Submit and close the TikTok application and open the App Store. Now go ahead and search for TikTok application. And if you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. And after updating, reopen the TikTok and check if the shop button is back. If not, you need to wait for 24 to 48 hours or few business days for TikTok support to respond. And that's it. This is how you can go ahead and fix the TikTok shop missing. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.